Hello again, ladies. Let me just get my setup going here. Maybe I should put it on the other side. That's my microphone. Okay. Now, I'm going to attempt for my first time to use my Younique 3D Fiber Mascara. Alright, I keep it warm. That's what I do while I'm getting ready. And I'm going to kind of test a new mascara that I have by Honest Beauty, and I'm going to use the two together because I know a lot of ladies are skeptical of the 3D mascara. And I wanted to let you know that you can use the 3D mascara with any other mascara of your choosing if you like something that spreads out your lashes or something that does something special for your lashes, but you want to add a little bit more length or volume, or you want it to be waterproof. I got the thing for you. So I'm going to do my tester mascara, and I'm going to add on to it with my 3D mascara. So this is a 2-in-1 as well, so I'm going to use a little mirror somewhere so I can kind of see what I'm doing. Use a blush, mineral blusher. They have great mirrors on them, and it's a giant, so I'm going to use this. This Honest Beauty is also a natural product, so I'm going to kind of review how that is and the brush and everything. So it has two sides. One is a lash primer, and one is the dark mascara. And this brush is kind of, it's like one of those rubber ones with the short little bristles. I don't normally like those, so we'll just see how it turns out. I do, in the past, have liked mascaras that came with a lash primer. And that's what I kind of like about Younique, is it acts like the same kind of thing. It has 2 steps to give you more length. So let's get started. I'm just going to do one eye. I'm going to start with this one here. So this is the Honest Beauty, and I'm going to put this lash primer on first, root to tip. It is a white primer. Looks a little silly at first. I like the short little brush. Now this brush isn't rubber. This one's got like the corkscrew, kind of like actual fiber brushes. So I kind of like that. Now I'm going to go along my bottom lash line as well. Okay, not much of a difference. You can't really see the white. And now I'm going to use, see how this works. Aha, the brush is on this end. I kind of like that. Let's see how this brush works. So this is the Honest Beauty. Whoa. Eee! It's a little thick kind of application for me. I like thinner lashes that are spread out. This is kind of clumpy and thick. So, because it's like this, I have a nice little kind of like mascara wand that I'm going to use to kind of spread those lashes out a little bit more. Not a big fan of the brush. I like mascaras that come with a brush kind of like this. So after I comb it out, I really like the results. So it's kind of like any normal mascara. I do like that it's a natural product and that it has a lash primer. That's kind of neat. So now I'm going to add on to with my Younique. First step is the transplanting gel, which is kind of opposite than this. The Honest Beauty had a white primer and a black finisher. This one is a black waterproof mascara with, it's called a transplanting gel. So it acts as a nice sticky base for the natural plant fibers that are going to extend your lashes. So we're going to work on that here. My mascara is kind of old. That's why I like to warm it up in warm water. And I like the brush. It's kind of a nice corkscrew, actual bristle mascara. And I'm just going to try to hit basically the tips of my lashes, because that's all I really need to extend for length. If you want thicker lashes, you can definitely go root to tip again. I'm just going to try to hit the tips here. Okay, that's going to be a nice sticky base we got going on. Now I'm going to apply the fibers. I'm going to leave them kind of fluffy. Sometimes I pack them down on my wrist. Just going to leave them kind of fluffy. And I want to tell you ladies, barely touch these fibers on. Don't try to comb through. Just barely tap these little fibers on. No, they look a little crazy at first. Okay, I'm going to let those dry a little bit, and I'm going to go back through with my bottom lashes with the transplanting gel here. Maybe I'll do my bottom lashes with fibers today. Feel kind of crazy. I didn't do my bottom lashes with the Honest Beauty mascara. I didn't like the brush. I always do one eye at a time. It makes sure that the transplanting gel stays wet. So when you apply the fibers, everything sticks. Okay, so all my fibers are on. We're letting them dry. They look a little crazy. Give it a moment. Back through with our transplanting gel. I like to kind of clean my wand off so it really doesn't get clumpy on me. And we're just going to comb back over root to tip. Extend these lashes out. And I'm going to get a little bit more for those bottom lashes there. Bang! Bazinga! That's what you got. So even if you have another mascara and you're kind of skeptical, you can always add this on for a really dramatic effect to your normal mascara, and then this will last even longer. Some people only use this for special occasions. So instead of doing falsies, add this to your mascara and bazinga! 400% more volume. Ladies, this is awesome. Length and volume. You gotta check this out, okay? Bye!